Sometimes life has its beauty when there's no one around. Did you see the cat over there? It's so beautiful, right?
Meow meow.
See how beautiful it is? When nature is untouched by humans, it's allowed to grow, flourished. But the moment humans come, they destroy the very gift Mother Nature gives to us. And that shows how abhorrent people can be. It is the King of Thailand that prevents the destruction of this beautiful nature. You know what they say, the good people always leave, leaving behind the scums of this world. Now that he's gone, I feel sorry for this world. The people, they're irresponsible, illiterate. Look how beautiful it is right now. The sun is in my face, so isn't it beautiful? Nature is beautiful on its own, untouched by man. Okay. It's left alone, it will flourish and grow. But the moment humans step foot onto it, destruction begins. Oh, that shows how abhorrent mankind is, how obnoxiously impertinent their nature are, how I abhor them. It was King Bhumibol that prevents the destruction of this beautiful site. And I'm standing right at the same place where he made this his project to preserve Mother Nature. This wonderful man. This is where he is. God's gift to mankind. See how beautiful this is? It's always nice, isn't it, when you're alone in this world? So now I'm standing right at the same place where the royal project begins, and the serenity, the peace, it's beautiful. Far from the maddening crowd, this is the place where you can contemplate on the essence of your own life. Utsukushi-ne. It's beautiful, isn't it? Just when you thought Khao Yai was the most beautiful place, and then you come across this place. The government chief official was very nice. I nicknamed him George. He's a very kind-hearted person and speaks good English. And we got on a real conversation about people and nature and the Royal Project here in Thailand. And then he gave me the key to the bunk, to the chalet, which is only meant for officials, Thai officials, and it was nice staying here for a few nights. The peace is immeasurable. No noise of the trucks, no noise of the motorcyclists, no people around. I was alone. It was a bit scary at first. It reminds me of Aokigahara forest in Kawaguchiko. That was really scary because there was no noise at all, but here you can still hear the sound of insects. Everything, so. You can see the dam from here. I'm taking this time to show you because there's no one around. Well, most of the time. But during the holidays, there was still a couple of impertinent insects around. Roaches of this world that permeate and destroy the destruction of Mother Nature of this world. Humans doesn't contribute to the ecosystem. They are like mosquitoes, they breed and then they destroy, they suck on you dry. And this is where I stay. I had the whole place to myself. Could be quite scary at night because as you can see there's no lights around, so it's pitch black. You can see here. And we got a cat. We got a beautiful cat. Meow meow. Did you see the cat over there? Meow meow. You see the cat over there? It's so cute. It's relaxing itself. So cute, isn't it? He's so cute, baby. God, I love animals. They are God's gift to mankind. Mwah. Baby. Cute, isn't it? You know, one can just stay here the whole day. Once I was so lazy, I didn't even want to go out to get food for myself. I was starved, literally starved. And you can see I'm so scrawny now. I'm so skinny now because it's so addictive. The peace and the serenity is so addictive. And I didn't want to leave this place. I didn't want to go anywhere. I didn't want to meet the traffic. I didn't want to meet anyone. I just needed to be here. I just wanted to be here because the beauty is so intoxicating. The peace, the quietness is so intoxicating. And you don't get this often, do you? The moment you stepped out into the main road, you're bombarded by all this noise and the obnoxious driving, and I don't want to talk about it. It makes one sick thinking about it. But this is really God's gift to nature. Now I tell you why I am a misanthrope. This is why I am a misanthrope. You look at how beautiful the cat is. So cute. Did you see the cat there? He's so cute. Anyway, you know, the good people are leaving this world. The real good people, the great people. Whitney Houston, Michael Jackson, Dallas McCarver, Rich Piana, and the greatest man of all in Thailand, King Bhumibol. They have all gone. The good people, they leave, leaving behind the scums. I just want to go sometimes. I want to die. I want to leave this world. But then the irony of it is, the beauty of this world can be so intoxicating, isn't it? That if you live away from people, you can actually continue living. But I'm getting skinnier and skinnier. Have you watched the movie Into the Wild? It's the same thing. This guy was so sick of people. He went into the wild in Alaska and he literally starved to death. Did I hear noise? Okay, see ya. Bye.